Arabic for Church, Part 1, Recognize. Vocabulary Bank. Hi, the course Arabic for Church Recognize is designed to teach you the Arabic alphabet. To demonstrate the shapes and sounds of Arabic letters, I use more than 100 words. These are the words you come across as you watch lectures, do assignments, and take quizzes. I've made this video so you'll be able to see all these words, organized by their final letters, starting with alif and ending with ya. Around each Arabic word, you will see its English counterpart, its phonemic script, and you can also hear its pronunciation. For the learning objectives of this course, I'd like you to look at the Arabic script of each word and listen to the pronunciation of its final letter. You can find those highlighted in red. Are you ready? سماء صحراء قرأ مبدأ مرفأ أبانا عذراء هللويا صليب ذهب باب غراب ملكوت قوت سلطانة طاهرة هدية بركة تفاحة حياة سلة ملكة ثلاثة تحية قيامة شجرة أرزة ثالوث مثلث برج ثلج المسيح قمح فرح مفتاح ملح أخ ورد يد مذود مجد ميلاد مجيد سجود الأحد واحد جسد برد ملاذ تلميذ تلاميذ نبيذ خمر مر بخور شكر سرور عصفور نور خبز عزيز أرز قدوس عروس مجوس مقدس ناس قماش عرش عروش مخلص خلاص أبرص لص أرض ركض حائط قط سقط لقط حفظ لفظ لاحظ يسوع ينبوع ينبع جموع جميع قرع زرع فراغ بلغ يبلغ أنف سيف حرف حق عرق دقيق سبق رقيق علق فوق ملك سمك ملاك إنجيل ظل منجل شغل أمل قفل جمال جميل سلام فم دم نام اسم مريم قلم ابن إنسان شيطان الشيطان الكون إله منبه لو سرو حي شهي. We've come to the end of the list of Arabic words covered in Part 1, Recognize. Was it easy for you to recognize the sounds of the final letters or predict the next letter in line? The task I gave you at the beginning of this video was in line with the learning objectives of your course. But please feel free to use this supplementary resource in any way you see fit. For example, you could look at the Arabic words and guess their meaning in English, or look at the English word and see if you can remember what the word in Arabic is. You can also practice pronunciation by repeating the Arabic words, either by listening and repeating, or using the phonemic script to help you. But in any case, please come back to this video often, especially after every section you complete,